I got this beautiful sweet and sour pork dish with egg fried rice from a famous English chef called Steve Martin, and I was surprised by the macros, so I wanted to showcase this lovely meal because we were always looking for some variety. You may be aware that pork is high in protein, so I love using it as an alternative to other meats. The macros for this meal are listed in the description box. The sweet and sour pork is enough for 4 meals, so if you have one portion with a half a cup of cooked rice, it's just 339 calories. And even better, if you have it with a cup of cauliflower rice, it's 306 calories. I've got just over 400 grams of this beautiful pork fillet by Heart Smart, and we're going to cut the meat into cubes. Then to prepare the pineapple, and we need just half, we're going to peel it, and I tried as much as possible to cut off all the brown bits. Then you're going to cube half the pineapple, about the same size as the pork pieces. If you're new to my channel, welcome! If you appreciate the information in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so I can continue bringing you great recipes. Before I post a new video, I make sure the meal is tasty and the recipe is easy to follow. Also, I post new recipes every week, so be sure to hit the notification bell. Next, to a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Then add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic or 4 garlic cloves crushed, and whisk that together until fully combined. Then add the cubed pork meat to your marinade and stir until the meat is fully coated. Head over to the stove now and saute 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic over medium heat. Then add the marinated pork and stir that for 3 minutes until the meat starts to brown. Then add the pineapple pieces and the juices to the meat and add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and stir that in. Make sure to add all of the marinade left over from the bowl with the sliced pork as well. We aren't going to cover the pot or pan this time because we need some of the juice to evaporate. While that's on a simmer, thinly slice 2 spring onion, and as you can see here, I sliced them on an angle. I used most of the spring onion because I wanted to get the light and the dark green into the dish. Then add most of the cut green onion. We're going to keep about a handful for garnishing. Chop up some fresh coriander and garnish as well. To make the cooked fried rice, over a medium heat, add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, then crack 2 eggs and add 1 cup of rice. You will need 2 eggs to every 1 cup of rice, so add more if you're preparing this for more than 1 meal. Stir the egg fried rice around until all the eggs are cooked. So easy. If you're using cauliflower rice, just remember to add it into the eggs from frozen. Looking at this meal again makes me hungry. Yes, I'm one of those people that eats with their eyes first. This dish gives such a beautiful balance of the sweet versus the sour. Please do let me know how you got on. You just need your ingredients in 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe and have a wonderful day. See ya!